Warm welcome, my dear children. Myself Jagdish Waghela, your maths teacher. Children, we have already started our chapter measures of mass. Okay, and that we have learned conversions. How to convert kilogram into gram, gram into kilogram, and gram into kilogram and gram. Okay, I hope you have understood in our previous class whatever I taught you. Now we are going to solve exercise 11a. Okay, so let's understand here. First one, fill in the blanks. 2 kg equal to dash into dash, gram equal to dash gram. Okay, so what will be the expected answer? 2 kg we have learned already. Whenever we have to convert kg into gram, we have to multiply by 1000. So what I will write here? I will write here 2. I will write here 1000. Gram is already there. So 2 into 1000 means 2000. Okay. Next one. 5 kg 256 gram. Here both are there. Now 5 kg 256. So 5 kg. What will be the gram of 5 kg? 5 into 1000 means 5000 gram. 5000 gram. 5000 gram plus 265 gram equal to 5265. We have to add this both. So what we will get? 5265 gram. Okay. Next one. 9 kg 167 gram. 9 kg 167 gram. So 9 into 1000 9000. 9 into 1000 9000. And what we will do? We will write this 167 gram as it is. 167 gram as it is because same. Okay. So 9000 plus 167 gram means 9167 gram. Okay. So this is the answer of C. Next one, D. 4860 gram. Children, now this is gram. We have to convert into kg and gram. I have explained you. So what we will do? We know that children, last 3 digit always remember this will be the gram, and fourth and fifth digit whatever after 3 digit next digit will be always kg only. So this 860 will be there in the gram and 4 will be in the kg column. Okay, 4 kg 860 gram. Okay, then next one 2895 gram. So 2 will be the kg and 895 will be the gram. Okay, understood children? Now F you have to solve by yourself. Okay, now convert into gram. Children, you know that we have learned how to convert into kilogram into gram. So we will solve the exercise second question. A. 7 kg. 7 kg. First of all, as I told you, what we have to write? We have to write 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Therefore, 7 kg equal to 7 into 1000 gram. 7 into 1000 gram. 7 into 1000 means what will be there? 7000 gram. Okay? Clear children? So what is the answer of 7 kg gram? 7000 gram. B. 5 kg. 5 kg. So first of all I will write 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Now therefore 5 kg equal to 5 into 1000 gram. 5 into 1000 gram. Therefore 5000 gram. 5 into 1000 means 5000 and gram symbol we will put behind. Okay. C and D you have to solve by yourself. Similar type of questions are there. Next one, E. E is 6 kg 60 gram. 6 kg and 60 gram. So it is easy only. What I will write first of all? First of all you have to write only 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Okay, don't forget this one. Now therefore 6 kg 60 gram. 6 kg 60 gram. So what shall we do? 6 into 1000 gram plus 60 gram. We know that this kg 6 kg and this 60 gram we will write plus 60 gram. Okay. Now 6 into 1000, 6000 gram plus 60 gram. Now 6000 grams plus 60, we have to add this both. So what we will get? 6060 grams. 6060 grams. Understood, children? Next one, F. We will solve here. F we will solve here. F is 9 kg 988 gram. 9 kg 988 gram. So as it is similar type of, their only numbers are changed. First of all we will write 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Therefore 9 kg equal 9 kg 988 gram equal to 9 into 1000 gram plus 988 gram. Okay? Then 9 into 1000, 9000 gram plus 988 gram. 9000 gram plus 988 gram. So it is, we have to add it, 9988 gram. Understood, children? Yes. Then G1 8 kg 500 gram. 8 kg 500 gram. Similar type. So I will write here 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Therefore 8 kg equal to 8 kg 500 gram equal to 8 into 1000 gram plus 500 gram. Okay? Then 8 into 1000 means 8000 gram plus 500 gram. Then we will add it. 8000 plus 500, 8500 gram. Understood, children? So this is G. Now H you have to solve. Here C and D and H also you have to solve by yourself. Understood, children? So this is the question number 2. Now we will solve question number 3. Okay? So children, now question number 3. Convert into kilogram. Convert into kilogram. See here gram is given. So what I have explained you, gram into kilogram. Whenever we have to convert gram into kilogram, we have to divide by 1000. Okay, do you remember? Okay, so first of all, first question we will solve 6000 gram. Okay, so I will write here 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Therefore 6000 gram equal to 6000 divided by 1000. Divided by 1000. Okay. Now here we will divide it. 6000 divided by 1000. 1000 6 are 6000. 1000 6 are 6000. 0 0 0. So what question we got? 6. Therefore answer will be 6 kg. Okay, easy only. Next one. Next one be 3000 gram. 3000 gram. So 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Therefore 3000 gram equal to 3000 divided by 1000. 3000 divided by 1000. Okay. Now I will divide here 3000 divided by 1000. 1000 3 ja 3000. 1000 3 ja 3000. Okay. So this is 3 only. So here I will write 3 kg. Understood, children? Now, next one, C is 8,000 gram. 8,000 gram. Okay? Now, 1,000 gram equal to solution I will write here. 1,000 gram equal to 1 kg. Therefore, 8,000 gram equal to 8,000 divided by 1,000. 8,000 divided by 1,000. Here we will divide 8,000 by 1,000. 1,000 is 8,000. 1,000 is 8,000. Okay. So what we got here? 8. So here I will write down 8 kg. So 8,000 gram equal to 8 kg. Okay. Now fourth one, convert into kilogram and gram. We have solved examples also, we understood also. So here first one, 7,777 gram. 7,777 gram. 7,777 gram. So first of all, I will write here 1,000 gram equal to 1 kg. 1,000 gram equal to 1 kg. And here, therefore, 7,777 gram equal to 7,777 divided by 1,000. Directly we will do. We will divide here. Okay? We will divide here. That is easy method for you, I think. 7,777 divided by 1,000. 1,000 7 ja 7,000. 1,000 7 ja 7,000. 7 minus 0 7. 7 minus 0 7. 7 minus 0 7. 7 minus 7 0. So what we got here, I have explained you. This one will be kg and this one will be gram. So I will write here 7 kg and 777 gram. Okay, children, 7 kg and 777 gram. B1, 3,200 gram. 3,200. Sorry, 3,002. So as it is 1,000 gram equal to 1 kg, therefore 3,002 gram equal to 3,002 divided by 1,000. Divided by 1,000. Okay, divided by 1,000. Now here we will divide here 3,002 divided by 1,000. 1,000 3 ja 3,000. 2 minus 0 2, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 0 0. So what we got? Here we got 2, here we got kg and this will be gram. Question will be always kg and the remainder will be always gram. Okay, so here 3 kg and 2 gram. 3 kg and 2 gram. Okay, now next one C is that 8,051 gram. I will solve here. 8,051 gram. I will solve here. 8,051 gram. C, 8,051 gram. Solution. 1,000 gram equal to 1 kg. Therefore, 8,051 gram equal to 8,051 divided by 1,000. Divided by 1,000. So, 8,051 divided by 1,000. 1,000 is 8,000. 1,000 is 8,000. Therefore, 8 kg and 51 gram. 8 kg and 51 gram. Children, so this is about today's class. I hope you have understood today's topic and today's exercise. Okay, so whatever sums I have given you here, you have to solve and practice it here. Children, here D is your homework. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye children. Have a nice day.